what's up everybody? Ike Stevens here, the Redneck Cruiser. It's been a while, but hey, I still make videos. But I'm gonna try to do more cruise videos for you guys for this channel here. So if you're not subscribed, give me, subscribe. This video I want to talk about what to expect for first-time cruisers. Okay, these are questions that I get all the time. Ike, do I need a passport? And no, you don't need a passport. If you're going on Carnival Cruise Line, you do not need one. If you're going to the Caribbean, you don't need a passport. Is it wise to have one? Yes, because if you get left behind, if for some reason you get sick, you get injured, maybe you had too much drink and the cruise ship leaves without you, well, guess who's going to need to get back to the States? That's you, okay? And the passport will make things a lot easier. Okay, so get you a passport. Now currently, I don't have a passport. Carnival may end up requiring it. Right now it's August 2019, and right now Carnival does not require a passport. If you need that insurance policy, go get you a passport. You know, it's something neat to have anyway, right? Anyway, I kind of wish I had one, just to be totally honest. Maybe I'll go get one for my next cruise in April. The next thing that people ask me is like, am I going to get seasick? Well, if you've got to ask that question, you probably are. What I tell people is to get Dramamine, okay? It is for motion stuff, motion sickness, and they sell it. I believe it's over the counter. I think it's over the counter. If not, you may have a prescription for it. I don't know. I don't have that problem. But what I do tell people to do is to get some and start taking some. If you have that inkling that you may get sick, before you get on your cruise, about 3-4 days in, start putting, you either take the pills or you got the patches that goes right behind the earlobe right there. Get that in your system a few days before you get on the ship. That way it ensures it's in your bloodstream while you're there, so you don't have to worry about it. If you wait to get that stuff in your system while you're out there and you start getting sick, well, guess what? You're going to start taking those pills, and it may take a day for it to start to be effective. And guess what? You're going to have not a pleasant time on the ship for, until that stuff kicks in, and a lot of times it may take up to 24 hours. So that would suck. I've been with people that did not take my advice and they got sick, and they regretted it. So if you doubt it at all, go ahead and get that stuff in your system. Remember, if you're on the front or the back of the ship, you're going to be in motion a little bit more than if you're going to be in the middle of the ship. So just have that in mind. In April, it's going to be our last, our first time being on the aft of the ship. Okay, we're going to be on the Carnival Vista in April, so we're going to be on the aft of the ship. So anyways, be the first time. I think I may just go ahead and get me a couple of just for an insurance policy. But I know the missus will definitely, because she's already like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. So me myself, I don't really get sick about stuff like that. As a matter of fact, it kind of puts me to sleep, and I enjoy watching people walk around the ship all look like they're drunk and stuff like that. It's pretty fun. But anyways, those are two main questions for first-time cruisers. And hey, if you got any questions or whatever, put the leave me a comment. Be sure to interact with the video, like, dislike, whatever. Get this video out. This is, I've been on YouTube for almost 10 years, and it's not really known as a cruise channel. So interact and get this video out there to cruisers, potential cruisers. Anyways, my name's Ike Stevens, the Redneck Cruiser. We'll talk to you guys later. 73.